Okay guys, so right now today is Monday and I'll show you. Okay, so 30th September. For this week we've got Fed Power at PM session today, and we got Tuesday PMI, and you can see we got NFP as well. So for this week we are gonna end by Wednesday AM session, but usually we don't even trade the Wednesday. So yeah, I'm gonna see the London session today, and that's it. Now it's time for some workout, but before that let's open the charts. So at the moment this is the 4-hour chart, and in the 4-hour chart we can see right here we have opened inside. Okay, so let's draw out the the new opening gap, and I'll go. Okay, so I'll bring you to the daily chart first. So right now we can see that we are close. So right now we can see that we have opened below the old monthly high. Okay, this is the old monthly high. Okay, this is the old monthly high here. Okay, so we have opened at the old monthly high, and right now we are inside this 4-hour BC. Okay, and so we inside this 4-hour BC. So right now what I will be seeing is this wick to the upside. Okay, this is the wick that I'll be seeing to the upside. Okay, you must see that we still have sell side here, remember. So at the moment, I shall see, do we come up here and hold resistance and shoot lower to the sell side. My aim is this sell side here, okay. Because you can see here, buy side has been cleared here. So here form an immediate rebalance. So actually there's no reason for price to go up. So I want to see this 1-hour CV have some portion left open, okay. At least the midpoint of it. Okay. And so let's go to dollar. So dollar looking pretty okay. We open above this 1-hour BC, and this is the draw. So later for London session, I'm aiming for this buy side here for dollar, and I'm aiming for this sell side here. For the indices. So we have symmetry in our analysis. And because it's an NFP week, and on NFP week, that's why we will trade on Monday. So right now we have done our analysis, and right now I'm going to start my day with workout. Let's get started. $13.06. Let me show you guys something. So 3 months ago I started the no split, and now here I am doing so much better, being able to split, feeling so much better. Now I'll see you doing trading. So today is a losing day, as you can see here. So I'm down. Okay, so right now let's do the trade review about what I think I did wrong about this trade. Okay, so first, because as you can see, as you know that my analysis, I was bearish aiming for this sell side here on the 1 hour chart. So what I was aiming for today was, as my analysis, my higher time analysis was this really equal lows. Okay, and as for dollar, I was aiming for I was aiming for this. I was aiming for this relative equal highs here and this CB. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, so as for dollar, I was aiming for this buy side here, and we can see this is the we can see on the 4 o'clock, which is 5 o'clock. Okay, close. Okay, and we can see here on this candle here, which is when I was still trading. Okay, so at 4 o'clock, this 3 o'clock candle will close. So you can see we didn't have much movement, and right now you can see it's pulling lower here like that. Okay, so my analysis on dollar was bullish because what I was seeing was here. I can see this 4 hour BC. This 1 hour BC. This 1 hour BC, bodies were holding inside. So I was thinking, we are kind of bullish until it reached inside to this 1 hour fair gap. So dollar did pan out as I expected it to. Okay, so dollar did pan out as I expected it to into this 1 hour fair gap. Okay, so dollar did pan out as I expected to, but at the same time, you can see here. Okay, so I started trading at 2:30. So at this candle, it came down to clear. So we can see right here, we cleared sell side. Okay, we have cleared sell side here. And what I was seeing is this CE wick. Okay, so I was aiming for this 15-minute CE wick as my target, but we didn't get it. I was aiming for this 15-minute CE wick and then this sell side here. So I was aiming for this. So this is high probability sell side. So this was the sell side I was aiming for in S&P. So right now I want to bring out Nasdaq and show you. Okay, so this is Nasdaq as well. So this is Nasdaq 15-minute chart. So as you can see here, Nasdaq. As you can see here, today we are in a mixed market actually. Okay, so I'll go through all the charts with you. So Nasdaq cleared sell side here, and it had rejection at this sell side level. So actually, Nasdaq is looking bullish to me. Okay, so right now looking back, actually I missed out this, but I realized, okay, why is this a losing trade? It's because Nasdaq was looking very bullish because cleared sell side, and we always see the chart through who is feeling safe right now. So right now, sell side is cleared. So sell side is cleared here. So where is the buy side? Here we have relative equal highs. Here we have a CB, and for the dealing range which is right here, the period of dealing range, the buy side is here. Okay, for the period of dealing range, the buy side is right here. And besides the buy side, what we have? We have a fair value gap. Okay, we have two fair value gaps here. So I think if I pull this one out, you can see we stopped there at this. We stopped there at this CB here, but didn't fill into it because right here is this is a balanced price range here. So it stops right at the balanced price range. Okay, it stops at the balanced price range. Okay, this is a balanced price range here. This right here is a balanced price range. Okay, it's literally stop dead right here. Okay, not reaching into the CB. So Nasdaq was looking bullish. Sell side cleared, and here went up all the way. So this was one of the reasons why my S&P trade didn't pan out. Next, let's look at the Dow. Okay, let's have a look at the Dow. Okay, at the same time, Dow kept going lower through this 5-minute to this 15-minute CE wick here and reached low to clear up this sell side. So let's look at this 18. So this 6 p.m. low. Okay, so let's all look at this 6 p.m. low. 6 p.m. Okay, this 6 p.m. low. Okay, so another thing that I'm seeing here right now is Nasdaq was actually cleared even the sell side below, but it was above the 6 p.m. low. And S&P was above the 6 p.m. low. So actually what we can see here is we have some. See, this is another thing that I missed is we have some S&P here. Okay, so this 18-minute low. Okay, sorry, this one. Okay, so you can see S&P failed to reach below it, whereas Nasdaq it reached below it, cleared sell side, and went above it again. And for Dow we went down and cleared the sell side, and same rejected higher here. So at 3 o'clock, so this to me actually this is another factor. Actually things were looking bullish, but I missed out all these things. Okay, that is another reason why my trade didn't pay out. Okay, so right now I'll talk about the trade. Okay, so that is the reason why we have to really look at uh intermarket analysis to see whether to qualify our trades. So that is the reason why my trade didn't pay out also. Okay, so as you can see, I went short in this 3 minute. Okay, I went short in this 3 minute CB at 54.5, 5784.5. Okay, which is here. So I went short inside the new week opening gap, and my stop loss was above this 5 minute fair value gap. Okay, my stop loss was at here above. Then you can see later I trailed it down. I trailed my stop loss. I trailed my stop loss down. Okay, so this is the reason why the first trade we got stop out. Okay, so it doesn't matter because I was still following my risk. Because what I was expecting was I was seeing this as a market structure shift, and then this fair value gap, I went in short here. I was expecting price to continuously go down to the sell side, but because this is a mixed market, which I will show you the euro now. Okay, so this today, look at the euro. The euro was consolidating from 230 all the way, and then shoots higher. So continuously it's going higher. And let's see GBP as well. GBP went down to clear the sell side, and then also continues to go higher. So this is not favorable for me going short in the S&P. But the reason why I still went short is because I was trying to stick to the analysis that high time frame analysis, and I realized what I missed was, yes, on the high time frame I was seeing, okay, where is feeling safe? Yeah, we have relative equal lows. We have relative equal lows right here that I was aiming for, which is so clean, right? But the thing is that I realized that I was supposed to see where is feeling safe right now, currently at the moment in the charts. So if you can see here, so here this was a potential SMT. Okay, this was a SMT divergence, which I missed out. Because if I were seen this, I would have thought, okay, we are bullish. Okay, S&P formed higher lows at this 6 p.m. low. Whereas Nasdaq, you can see at this 6 p.m. low, what it did, it went down, clear sell side here, and then it cleared sell side and rejected above, and it stayed close above this 6 p.m. low. Went down below the 6 p.m. low and rejected here as well. So actually, Nasdaq, Dow, and S&P were all showing me bullish signs at the 6 p.m. low and at the new week opening gap here. So the trade that painted out today was the silver bullet, which should be a bullish trade, because first we have 6 p.m. we were all above 6 p.m. low in the indices, and then so I got stopped out here, but I didn't enter back long in this silver bullet. I was seeing it, but I didn't enter back long. So this is the silver bullet trade. So right here we can see that we displaced above the new opening gap, and then we came back into a silver bullet, and your stop loss will be right here. And so this wouldn't have stopped. This wouldn't be stopped, and went up nicely to clear the buy side. So on 5 minutes you can see here. So right here we have a buy side, we have CBs here, we have volume balance here, and yes, that would have been the trade. That would have been where people is feeling safe. Why I didn't go long in this BC is because of this. So look at this time. Okay, 3 o'clock. Okay, I want you to see what dollar is doing at 3 o'clock. Okay, so you can see dollar was going up higher at 3 o'clock. That's why I didn't go long in this BC. So that's why I didn't go long in this BC. But again, all the indices was in tandem. But if dollar here, you can see 3 o'clock. So from 3:06, 3 o'clock onwards, dollar keep on going up. Okay, and that is why I didn't go long in at this BC. Okay, so today is more of a mixed market, and yes, and so that's it. Because sell side, 15-minute sell side has been cleared here, and we have SMT here and the 6 p.m. low. That's why price went up all the way, cleared buy side, and then and so this was why the first trade lost. Okay, and for the second trade, what made me went short was this. Okay, so here I was seeing buy side has been cleared, and I was seeing this as a balanced price range, because this is a BC. Okay, this is a BC, and this is a BC, and we went down here and came up here and is rejected after clearing buy side. So I was seeing this, and yes, you can see I went short. Okay, I went short at 5793.5. Okay, after seeing this reaction and price coming back down, I went short inside here. So, and then I got stopped out on both at here at 5795, which was just right here. Okay, which was just right above this 5-minute BC, which is a balance price trend that I'm seeing. Okay, so for this trade, actually, I got stopped out on both contract, but I realized that I should have taken partials at here. Okay, so this was the 5-minute BC. Okay, so as soon as price came down actually all the way into this BC here, 5789, which actually offered me down to here 93 to 89 is 4 handles. Okay, so I was expecting price to speed through this, but it didn't. And here was where I should have took partial, which next time I will take partials here. Okay, because this was the lowest hanging fruit objective, which is the 5-minute CE of the BC. So as soon as price reacted here and closed above back inside this is a 1 hour CV. Okay, so this 1 hour CV. So as soon as price came down here and closed above this CE of this 5-minute BC, here is where I should have took one partial. Okay, here is where I should have took one partial, and then for the next one, and my stop loss would just still be left here, and I would still get stopped out. So overall, I would say I learned a lot from this trade. Yeah, it's a losing trade, but it's fine. My stop loss is just very small, and yeah, my stop loss is placed on where I think price shouldn't reach for. So this loss I think is okay, and I learned a lot from it. So that's it for the trade today. Okay. So that's it for the trade review. I've lost, but I learned a lot from the trade, and I realized that, and the thing that I realized right now is really I should look in the charts at the moment who is feeling safe, not just in the high time frame. And if right now who is feeling safe aligns with who is feeling safe on the high time frame, that is when the high probability trades comes. So yeah, so today I would say is a very fruitful day, and yeah, losing is part of profitability in trading. And as you can see, yes, I did 2 trades with 2 contracts, and my loss is just 37 bucks, which I can cover it easily with 1 5-handle run, which 5-handle is just very easy. So that's why I'm not worried, or I'm not concerned that I lost this trade, because I manage my risk well, and that's all that matters. In trading, it's all about minimizing your loss and preserving your capital, and that's what I did today. I didn't break my rules. I followed all my rules today, and I did very well today. So good job, Ian.